Hey everyone, welcome back to WitQuick Academy again. This is Anshu Srivastav, your React.js tutor. So in the last video, we understood about what is state, what is a use state in React and why we use it. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you with this coding. So we'll cover coding part in this video. So let me give you a quick brief on this again so that you can just, revise some things related to it. So yeah, basically it is a hook that lets you add state to your functional components. Earlier, state was only available in class components, but with hooks, we can manage state as well as in functional components. So basically, it returns array with two elements. Let me show you with the coding part now. Let me share my screen to you. So yeah, that's our application which we created last time. So let me remove the necessary code from here. And we're gonna create a new file with the name counter dot pairs. You can also use this snippet here. Now we have to do it as per default. Okay, so I'm gonna create a div here. First of all, we'll create a layout. We're gonna format the document side by side. Now let's give a quick style to this div element. Under this div element, I'm gonna take a heading. Then I'm gonna take a button to update the count. We're gonna take three buttons here. First for increment, second for decrement, and third for reset. Just create a on-click method. Right now, just leaving it empty. All right, same for this. All right, so our buttons are ready. Let's give a bit style to this button. So let's first of all see how does it look. Okay, so I have to use this file here because if I'm not importing this file, how I'm gonna use it? So that's how it looks. Give a background color as well to make it look good. All right. Yeah, that's how it looks. So now what we have to do, we have to first of all import the state to use it. So how we can do it? We can simply type const count set count is equal to use state. It will be imported automatically here. All right, and we are gonna give a default value 0 here. All right, and what we're gonna do, we have to see the values which we are updating. So I will pass the count value here. Okay, now we see that you see here it is. I'm getting the count value. So here I'm importing use state from React. Okay, then I'm declaring a state variable called count and a function set count to update it. Initially, the count is set to 0. The function increment, decrement, and reset are used to update the state of this count. So let's how we can do it. Let's see. First of all, I'll be creating the increment function. So I'll be creating an arrow function for increment. Okay. And then what we can do the count increase. Whenever I will click on this count will be increased to 1. We call it here. Okay. Let's see it, how it works. So here you can see I have this increment button. If I click on this, you see that my value is getting increased. Okay. So the same thing which we have to do for the decrement button. So let's copy paste this. We'll change the name, handle, decrement, and we'll set it to -1. And we'll pass this here. And then the same we will do for this reset. So reset is gonna do, it will set the state to 0. Okay. So let's see how does it looks now. You see that if I'm clicking on incrementing, then it's increasing the value. If I click on decrement, then it is decreasing the value. If I click on reset, then it's my state is set to 0. Again, that's how we are increasing the value. That's how we are decreasing the value. And that's how we resetting the value. So that's how you use the use state hook to manage state in functional components in React. So it's simple, powerful, and forms the basis of building interactive components. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more React tutorials from us. And let me know if you have any query, any comment, so that regarding this concept, I will surely help you out to resolve that query. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.